A meteor falling from the skies. Dinosaurs running for the light. There is historical evidence in the peninsula of Yucatan. A giant fireball meteor impact the surface of this world. A meteor falling from the skies. Dinosaurs running for their lives. A meteor falling from the skies. The planet is trembling this time. Now it's impossible to breathe with all the dust that it's spreading. Darkness is here to drown them. They will not see the light of day again. Little by little begins to snow, freezing them down from their head to toes. Deadly degrees now attack their world. Dinosaurs are falling down. There is no more strength to go on, and they know how this will go on. Extinction has just begun. The ground is full of icy boulders, while the land is getting colder. Dinosaurs fight to survive. A meteor falling from the skies. Dinosaurs running for their lives. A meteor falling from the skies. Dinosaurs running for their lives. A meteor falling from the skies. Dinosaurs running for their lives. A meteor falling from the skies. Dinosaurs running for their lives.